Doctor, what triggers the asthma attacks?
Asthma, I like to explain it in using an analogy. Let's say there's a family who has two dogs at home. One dog, they're both look the same, they're both similar breed and everything. One dog is very neurotic, which means if a stranger comes to the house, it just becomes very anxious, it's very aggressive, it tries to kill him and his family. The other dog is not so neurotic. It's like every other dog. It's very careful about, okay, I'm going to be fine with you if you stay far away from me, but if you come too close, I might not like it. You know, the same way when you and I, assuming you're not an asthmatic, Ruhi, get exposed to dust or pollen or cold air, we may have a little bit of irritation. Our eyes may water a little bit. You may have a little bit of a runny nose. We call that allergies. But let's say you have a reaction which is way more than that, like that neurotic dog. It saw the stranger coming into the house and it just went crazy, ballistic. Even though the owner is right there, he's saying it's fine. Even but the dog went ballistic, right? The same way asthma patients react to the same stuff that you and I get a little bit of irritation from in a more aggressive way. And you produce more mucus inside your airways. Your muscles in the bronchus tend to constrict, so your airways become narrow. Your mucosal lining becomes thicker. Because of all this, you tend to have a problem where you are suddenly not able to move air in and out easily. Breathing into your lungs feels like the opening is narrow. It feels tight. The most common thing that patients tell me is it feels like I'm breathing against a chest which is already full. That is the best way a patient with an asthma attack feels like.
Mhm.
The symptoms can be as simple as wheezing. You can be coughing up very thick phlegm. And at the root of all this is the exposures and your hyper reaction to whatever exposure you had. For some people, it may be cold air. For some people, it is perfumes. For some people, it is organic dust like animal dander, dust, wood dust, smoke.
Mhm.